Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. In slow motion, baby, it's just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. I'm living the moment till you know it tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live life.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the North American Aerospace Defense Command at around 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The North American Aerospace Defense Command detected a few nuclear missiles that were launched by the following countries: China, Russia, and North Korea. It is unknown when will these missiles strike, but all residents in the United States are being advised to stay cautious at this time. Stay tuned to this channel for more information.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and
We interrupt with the normal programming. This is a national emergency, and important details will follow. Citizens of the United States, please pay attention to the television. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected that the nuclear missiles that were launched from Russia, China, and North Korea will be impacted in a few minutes. Anybody needs to seek an underground shelter now. Nuclear is a byproduct radiation, and exposed to it would be lethal and cause blindness for a few hours. Several impacts have been determined by the North American Aerospace Defense Command. It is determined that these missiles will impact the following locations within the next few minutes: Charlotte, North Carolina; Providence, Rhode Island; Los Angeles, California; Denver, Colorado; and Jackson, Mississippi. Another nuclear missiles will strike at the following locations in the next hour: Cincinnati, Ohio; New York City, New York; Washington, D.C., Richmond, Virginia; Boston, Massachusetts; Honolulu, Hawaii; Seattle, Washington; and Miami, Florida. And another missile will impact the following locations in the next hour: San Francisco, California; Louisville, Kentucky; Chicago, Illinois; Cedar Rapids, Iowa; Houston, Texas; Dallas, Texas; Birmingham, Alabama; Atlanta, Georgia; Bakersfield, California; Detroit, Michigan; St. George, Utah; Portland, Oregon; and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Anybody in these locations must seek an underground shelter now. Do not wait. Seek shelter now. Do not leave your home until the all clear was given.